Hi folks, G3 here. Today's video is all about this Rubies in the Rubble tomato ketchup, and it is made with surplus fruit. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. Now, as my subscribers will know, previously I've tested Oddbox, which is a fruit and vegetable delivery box service that uses unloved or unwanted fruit and vegetables. So they're things like too many of them, the wrong size. They are basically allowing farmers an opportunity to sell their produce that doesn't quite meet supermarket standards, but is perfectly edible and fine. Now, part of the service with Oddbox is they do on occasion include some free samples. So one of the things that I got is a Rubies in the Rubble tomato ketchup. So I got this for free, so I thought I would check it out, share it with you, let you know a little bit more about it. This is a 470 gram container and the bottle is 100% recycled plastic. The thing about the Rubies in the Rubble is that they are using unloved, unwanted vegetables in their production of their products. So let me tell you a little bit more about what they say on the packet. Did you know that food waste is a major contributor to climate change? We make condiments made gooder by using delicious ingredients that would otherwise go to waste. This ketchup is packaged with surplus apples and pears, which means double the fruit content and half the refined sugar. So they're getting the natural sweetness from the apples and pears. It's vegan and gluten-free and is 100% recycled plastic in the bottle, and it is also recyclable. They are a certified B Corp. So the ingredients. Now the fruit, they have 242 grams of fruit per every 100 grams of product. They have tomatoes. They use surplus pears and apples. Then the sugar, spirit vinegar, salt, preservatives and blah, blah, blah. And once opened, refrigerate and consume within 4 weeks. Now this is a UK based company, so let's give this a go. Nice squeezy lid that comes with it. Probably going to make a mess, but let's try. I thought I'd put it a little bit on the spoon. Woo. There we go. Not too messy, that's fine. Smells ketchupy. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that tastes good. Yeah, it's got a certain fruitiness to it, definitely. Oh, that's really good. Really tasty, really rich. It certainly tastes tomatoey, but also tangy with the fruit. Definitely tomato ketchup, but you can taste that fruitiness there. It is delicious. I really like that. Looking forward to trying this on some chips later on. Hey, nice. Right, what do you think?
This is on chips. Very fruity, yeah. I can taste the apple and pear in the background. Not much pear.
Good tomato?
Yeah. Very fruity.
How does it compare to a normal tomato ketchup that you'd have?
Different. Big different.
Different
You
as
will
in...
notice it.
As in you
In a good
don't
way,
like
yeah.
it? Yeah? It's good. I'll try some as well. So it's alright having it on its own, but it makes a lot of sense just to try it with a chip as well, or wedge. Yeah, to me it's definitely a tomato ketchup, but a fruity tomato ketchup. It's nice, it's tasty. Yeah, good. This retails for £3.50 in the supermarkets, so it is more of a premium product. But obviously it is made using surplus apples and pears. It is in a completely recycled plastic bottle, and this can be recycled again. So I think this is a really good ketchup, really tasty. And if you are looking to try and do your bit by trying a product that has surplus fruit in it, and you don't mind paying that little bit more for a premium product, then definitely you should be trying this Rubies in the Rubble tomato ketchup. Yeah, recommended. Why don't you give it a try? I hope you found this useful, folks. If you did, then please click the like button down below and leave a comment. Let me know whether you've tried this already, whether you've tried other products from them, and if there's anything else I should be looking out for. Up next, I've got this video that I think you'll find interesting. And if you haven't done so already, then why not subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I load up a new video. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Until next time, bye.